All right, what I'm bringing you here today is the keyless door entry by Lindu. I'm very excited about this. I love the keyless door entry, and I'm just needing it on my front door, and I'm excited about getting this. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what packaging looks like. We've got some nice little instructions. So we've got some nice little instructions and some templates. There's the lock, the little keypad. Very nice. Got kind of a brushed nickel look to it. What we got here? Okay, that's the part of the lock. Keys. And we got the handles. A few screws. And a little booger there. Okay, so not very many items to install. Looks like it's going to be pretty simple. I'm going to take you guys along and show you what it's going to be like. Okay, sorry for the dirty door, but that's kids for you. This is going to be a very simple installation because I already have my holes here. It comes with templates if you need to make your own holes, but I didn't have to do that, so I'm thankful for that. But I'm going to install it and show you guys how it goes. Okay, well I got the lock installed and it is working great. Right there. Has a little voice comes along with it. The handle and everything like that works great. Looks like it's gonna work out. Very simple to install. It took me probably about 15 minutes to do. Just really all I needed was a Phillips screwdriver, because I already had the holes and everything, and it's super simple to install. I'll show you the keypad. Very nice keypad right here, and you're just gonna hit that guy right there to lock it. Here, put your code in, hit your unlock, and you're ready to rock and roll. If you're wanting a passcode locking system, this right here is awesome. Super easy to install. Looks like it's going to work out great. Hopefully you guys enjoy as much as I'm going to, and I'm going to see you on the next one. See ya.